Across the vast, sun-drenched plains of Africa and the rugged landscapes of Asia, a chorus of calls pierces the encroaching dusk. This is the sound of the jackal, a creature perfectly attuned to the rhythms of the wild. They are the masters of the in-between, thriving in the spaces where the day meets the night, and where civilization brushes against untamed wilderness. For centuries, these medium-sized canines have captivated human imagination, often cast as cunning tricksters in folklore. But behind the myth lies an animal of remarkable intelligence, adaptability, and complex social behavior. A true survivor in a world of constant change. Their ability to flourish in such a wide array of environments makes them a truly fascinating subject of study. The allure of the jackal is not found in the sheer power of the lion or the imposing size of the elephant, but in its sheer tenacity. Whether trotting through the tall grasses of the Serengeti, navigating the outskirts of a bustling village, or searching for a meal in the arid deserts, the jackal demonstrates a resilience that is nothing short of extraordinary. When one pictures a wild canine, the image of a wolf or a fox often comes to mind. The jackal, however, occupies a space uniquely its own, a perfect blend of lean grace and rugged endurance. Typically, they are medium-sized animals, standing about 40 centimeters tall at the shoulder, weighing between 6 and 15 kilograms. This size is a significant advantage, large enough to take down small prey like gazelle fawns, yet small and nimble enough to disappear into the scrubland at a moment's notice. Their fur is a masterpiece of camouflage, color ranging from pale sandy yellow to grizzled gray to reddish brown. The black-backed jackal is striking, a distinctive silver-flecked black saddle on its back against a reddish-tan body. The coat provides protection from the sun's harsh rays and helps the animal blend into dappled light and shadow. Looking closely at a jackal's head, you see a highly perceptive, intelligent animal. A long, slender muzzle with an exceptional sense of smell, locating carrion from a great distance or tracking the scent of potential prey. Large, pointed ears constantly swiveling to capture sound, the buzz of an insect, the distant call of a rival or the furtive movements of a rodent. Sharp, intelligent eyes. A bushy tail, often with a dark tip, used for communication and balance during high-speed maneuvers. The jackal is a creature of remarkable geographic range, a testament to its incredible adaptability. Its home spans two great continents, Africa and Eurasia. In Africa, they are a common sight, from the sweeping grasslands of the Serengeti in the east to the arid Kalahari Desert in the south and the open woodlands of the west. The black-backed jackal and the side-striped jackal are particularly widespread across sub-Saharan Africa. Meanwhile, the golden jackal has a much broader territory. North Africa, East Africa, across the Middle East and deep into Asia, reaching as far as India, Myanmar and Thailand. Jackals are not specialists when it comes to their choice of home, they are generalists, which is the secret to their success. They can be found in an astonishing variety of habitats. They thrive in open savannas and grasslands where their long legs are an advantage for spotting prey and predators over the tall grasses. Yet they are equally comfortable in arid deserts and semi-arid scrublands, where they have learned to survive with scarce water and food. They also inhabit woodlands, marshes, and even mountainous regions, adapting their hunting techniques and diet to suit each unique environment. Interestingly, the jackal's adaptability extends to human-modified landscapes. Unlike many wild animals that retreat as human populations expand, some jackal species have learned to live on the fringes of civilization. They can be found on the outskirts of villages, towns, and even cities, making a living by scavenging from refuse dumps or preying on rodents that are attracted to human settlements. Each species has carved out its own niche, demonstrating the subtle variations within this highly successful group of canines. The jackal's diet is as varied as the habitats it occupies, and honestly, that's a key reason for its widespread success. It is a true omnivore, meaning it will eat almost anything it can find. The menu changes with the seasons and the location, but it often includes a wide range of small to medium-sized animals. Rodents, birds, reptiles, and insects form a significant part of their daily intake. They are skilled hunters of small game, patiently stalking, then pouncing with surprising speed and accuracy. They will also take on larger prey, such as the young of antelopes, gazelles, and sheep, especially when hunting in a coordinated pair or group. A mated pair, for instance, is a formidable team. One individual may distract a mother gazelle while the other moves in to catch the hidden fawn. This level of teamwork requires sophisticated communication and a deep understanding between the partners. Hunting styles vary, depending on the prey and the circumstances, showcasing their advanced social intelligence. Beyond their skills as predators, jackals are also expert scavengers, playing a vital role as nature's cleanup crew. They possess a keen sense of smell that can lead them to a carcass from a great distance. They are often seen trailing larger predators like lions and leopards, waiting patiently at a safe distance for their chance to dart in and snatch a mouthful of meat. The social dynamics of hunting are fascinating. A breeding pair forms the core of this social unit, and they frequently hunt together to provide for their pups, demonstrating remarkable flexibility in switching between solitary and social strategies. The foundation of jackal society is the monogamous pair bond, a lifelong partnership central to their existence. A male and female will form a pair, claim a territory, and defend it vigorously against intruders. This bond is reinforced through daily rituals of grooming, nuzzling, and vocal communication. Together, they share the responsibilities of hunting, raising young, and protecting their domain. This cooperative partnership is the heart of the jackal's social world. When it comes time to raise a family, the pair prepares a den, often using an abandoned aardvark burrow or a natural crevice in the rocks. After a gestation period of about 2 months, the female gives birth to a litter of 2 to 6 pups. The pups are born blind and helpless, entirely dependent on their mother for warmth and milk. For the first few weeks, she rarely leaves the den, and it is the male's duty to provide for her. He tirelessly hunts and brings food back, either carrying it in his mouth or regurgitating it for her to eat, a remarkable display of paternal devotion. As the pups grow, their care becomes a shared family affair. Both the mother and father take turns guarding the den and hunting for food. Once the pups are old enough to eat solid food, the parents will regurgitate partially digested meat for them. What is particularly special about jackals is the role of helpers. Often, offspring from the previous year will remain with their parents to assist in raising their younger siblings. These helpers guard the pups, bring them food, and even groom them, significantly increasing the litter's chances of survival. A sophisticated social strategy that continues the cycle of life. Jackals are creatures of remarkable intelligence, a quality that is evident in their every action. Their problem-solving abilities are exceptional, particularly when it comes to acquiring food. They've been observed distracting a vulture to steal its meal, or following honey badgers to capitalize on small animals they flush out from burrows. This cognitive flexibility lets them assess a situation and devise a novel solution. Their cunning isn't just the stuff of ancient fables, it's real and observable. It's been honed by generations surviving in harsh environments. Communication within a jackal family is complex and nuanced through sounds, body language, and scent marking. The most famous vocalization is the high-pitched yelping call, often performed in a chorus at dusk or at dawn. This call helps scattered family members locate one another, announces their territorial claim to neighboring packs, and strengthens social bonds within the group. Beyond that, they use growls, whines, and barks. These sounds convey messages about danger, about food, and about social status. Body language is just as important. A tail held high can signal dominance or excitement. A tucked tail indicates submission or fear. Pinned back ears and a lowered head can be a sign of aggression or a warning to a rival. Pups learn this silent language by watching parents and siblings. Scent marking using urine and feces acts as signposts carrying identity, status, and reproductive condition. An efficient chemical messaging system over long distances and periods. A silent, secret language that constantly relays vital information across the savanna and scrubland. In the grand and intricate web of life, every creature has a role to play, and the jackal is no exception. As both a predator and a scavenger, it serves as a crucial regulator within its ecosystem. By preying on rodents and other small animals, jackals help to control their populations, preventing them from becoming overly abundant and causing damage to vegetation or crops. This natural pest control is a vital service that helps maintain the health and balance of the environments they inhabit. Furthermore, their role as scavengers is indispensable. In the wild, nothing goes to waste. Jackals are a key part of this natural recycling system, helping to clean the environment and preventing the spread of disease. The jackal also serves as an important indicator of environmental health. Because they are so adaptable, their presence or absence can tell us a great deal about the state of a habitat. A healthy and stable jackal population often signifies a balanced ecosystem with sufficient prey and a functional food chain. By monitoring these resilient canines, conservationists can gain valuable insights into the broader health of the wild spaces they call home. Ultimately, the jackal is far more than the cunning trickster of folklore. It is a creature of profound intelligence, deep social bonds, and remarkable resilience. It is a testament to the power of adaptability and a vital component of the African and Asian wilderness. By taking the time to understand their complex lives, their family structures, their clever hunting strategies, their essential ecological roles, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of the natural world. The haunting call of the jackal at twilight is not just a sound, it is a reminder of the wild, untamed spirit that endures and the importance of preserving the intricate systems where such magnificent animals can continue to thrive.